All right, guys, this is the 30th hired request on the current list. It is Luke Combs' Beautiful Crazy piano cover. You can find it on YouTube. It's a beautiful piano arrangement and not very hard. And I went too far. I should have took a... There we go. Now we're on the next line. All right. Well, hello everyone, I'm Shawn. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part lesson 1 right here, right now. All of the lessons of this whole piano cover will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Actually, it's on there right now, and you can go on there if you like this part 1 and become a member and finish all of it. Lots of sharps in this one, and that's just the key it's in. So don't be afraid of sharps or a lot of flats. In fact, it's just what you're used to. If you play a lot of sharp keys or flat keys for a long time, then you have to go back to where there's hardly any sharps or flats. That's difficult too. So it's just a matter of being used to it. And to get used to it, you just have to get in there and do it. So let's get going. We are in the key of B, so we're going to have lots of sharps here. And we'll just get used to them, and then you can not be afraid of playing in sharps anymore. All right, so we start with F sharp on the right hand, 2 of those. And then we'll play B, D, F sharp, another F sharp, then B, D sharp, F sharp, D sharp, B. So it's all that B chord, B, D, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp. So bum, 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 ba, dum, bum. The only thing I don't like about it is saying sharp over and over, because it's kind of like a tongue twister, saying everything sharp. Bum, 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 ba, dum, bum. Left hand has B and then an F sharp, so it's da dun 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 da dun dun. Okay, and then da 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 dum. 1 and 2 and 3, and this is in 3/4, I believe. A sharp, D sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D sharp, G sharp. Left hand F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A. So da 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 dum. When I have little dashes, those notes will be held out a little more. The ones with the curved lines will be a little quicker. So and 3 and 1. So da 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 ba bum. A lot like the first measure, I guess. B, D sharp, F sharp. It's all that chord, right? Da 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 da. Left hand. This time though is on G sharp minor. So you have a G sharp minor chord. G sharp, D sharp, G sharp, B. So da 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 ba bum. Next measure. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So D sharp minor, D sharp, A sharp, D sharp, G sharp, right hand. A sharp, D sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D sharp, D sharp. So you have da 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 and 3 and then da da da. Those 2 notes there, E, G sharp, go with that measure. I just ran out of room. So it's B, E, crossover, G sharp, E, G sharp. Right hand is just D sharp, C sharp, B. So da da da. Next measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and. So that's an F sharp chord. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp. You can do that note in the left or the right, whatever you choose. Kind of like it in the left hand. B, B, and na 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 na. So D sharp, F sharp, B. G sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D sharp, B. Left hand B, F sharp, B, D sharp. Na, 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 na. Then we have a repeat. That black dot there to black dot tells me to go back and play from that little black dot to that one. So let's do that. After you play this measure, sorry about that. Here we go. Da, 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 da. after I do that, that's the second black dot. This is what I failed to do the first time, I think, is I didn't skip over here. Bum, bum, bum. Okay? But there's your part one. Let's do it maybe one last time from the beginning, and then I'll do the black dot repeat. Skip over 1 and 2. So we'll learn that section in part 2, but I hope you guys enjoyed that part 1, and I will talk to you later.